You know, it's pretty obvious to see our society has been misled. We're taught at an early age that you gotta grow up, find a wife, get married, have kids, buy a house, buy cars, buy toys. The more you consume, the happier you are.
Ignorance is bliss.
Humanity is the greediest, most selfish it's ever been. Ever. Everyone's got a fucking ego. Everyone races to be Mr. and Mrs. Popular. Our culture is hardwired to the grid. Humanity has become completely disconnected from the universe. My third eye is open. And I can see through all the bullshit now. I remember taking this test in second grade, and everybody's like,
wow, he's so smart.
he is gifted.
I never did good in school again. Ever.
Times are changing.
I am gifted.
We accept that we've been programmed.
I am gifted.
We choose not to open our eyes.
I am gifted.
We have been completely disconnected from the universe.
Gifted.
Things are getting dark.
Gifted.
That's not how I want to live my fucking life. That's not how I want to die. There's more to life.